Welcome to Dragster Life Shop. Today we're working on an early 2000s Toyota Tundra. Vehicle's about due for inspection. The owner's been notified in the past that eventually he's going to have to do something about the left rear parking brake cable. And that's why it's in the shop here today. He's gotten to a point where he's got to do something with it. And for you guys that work on Toyotas, you've probably been faced with this before. But this here piece is what operates the parking brake on the left rear wheel. And this area right here bolts into the backing plate. It's a little dark. Anyway, goes in here and has another little cable. And then this cable runs over and attaches to it. So, cable attaches to that hole right there with a little pin and a clip. And what they do over the years, they rust. And this pivot pin gets frozen in here and gets stuck. And this one was stuck solid. I've actually got some penetrating lube in there now. It seems to have freed it up some. I'm actually trying to get this pin out so I can take it apart and service it, clean it, whatever you want to do, and see what I've got to work with. Might have to replace this, but don't know yet. So, anyway. It's my understanding YouTube doesn't like videos under 10 minutes long nowadays. Well, unfortunately, I don't know what else to tell you on this. So this is going to be a relatively short video. Alright, well, I'm going to work on freeing up that pivot pin. And I will do a part 2 to this video. Thank you.